Sartorius right here. This is the gracilis.
Yep.
Yeah. So what number is
the gracilis is 35. My counter isn't like this.
Find the vein. The muscle directly above the vein is 41.
This is...
Let's go this way.
Okay, so we're doing...
To the vastus medialis is 41.
Right here? This one, right?
41? Where's 41? There's 41.
Is that right?
The vastus...
That big one.
This one?
Oh, that one.
Right, and then the next one is the rectus femoris.
Over here? Okay.
No,
Yeah, it is. See.
no, this is the vastus...
He showed us
this
last
is the vastus
time.
medialis.
Here.
Vastus lateralis is 42. 40? 40.
Wait, what was that one?
40 is the vastus lateralis.
I'm recording as well.
This one right here.
The
This is the
chicken
vastus
corner.
medialis, vastus lateralis. 43 is the rectus femoris.
That's that one. Fingers right.
That
Right
it?
between those two pins exactly.
Right there.
Yeah.
Okay. So that's what, number 43?
Mm-hmm.
So right, this one right here?
42. Where the hell is 43? 43.
And then the next one would be 36. We already have Sartorius.
Adductor femoris. What is that, 36 you said?
It's right underneath the gracilis.
Right here.
Up there.
Right? Oh, it's up there. Okay.
And 39.
Semimembranosus.
39. Semimembranosus. Is it that one right there?
It's underneath. There should be a
Semi.
Yeah, I think that's it, yeah.
Where the hell is the semi?
I think he
It's
made it
probably
on
on
the other side. The other
That's
side.
how you did it.
Yeah, it's so big.
This one?
He told us to put it, yeah. He told us to put it up there.
Yeah.
There you go.
That one right there. So that's 38.
Alright, done with the leg.
We need the buttocks, so we need the back half of the leg.
Turn around.
So do the medius and the maximus.
Yeah.
And the biceps femoris is this bad boy right here, right?
Well, we need numbers.
Okay, we're
30.
34. We have the Sartorius. 32 is the gluteus medius.
So that one would be up here.
That one right there?
And the maximus is right here.
The maximus is
What number is that?
33.
So this one right here.
Right there?
Yeah, it's that whole thing.
And 31,
The biceps femoris, right?
tensor fascia. Well, that's the
Oh,
biceps.
tensor fascia.
That's the biceps femoris.
There's a tensor fascia.
Oh, why did
that
you like that?
Tensor fascia latae. Is it this stuff too?
It's underneath the
Yeah.
sartorius.
Underneath that stuff.
It's this.
It is that?
It's like the fascia.
It's the shiny stuff.
It's the, okay, so it's the stuff I'm lifting right
Yes.
now. Okay.
So 37.
37
Biceps.
biceps
So
femoris.
that's this guy, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
39 is a semimembranosus.
Uh-oh, I have an itch.
Where?
Where's my 39? I don't have a 39.
Thank you.
You know
You
what?
don't have?
We don't have to know that one, do we?
Which one?
39?
Semimembranosus.
It was 42 something.
Yeah, 42 we're not too
Semimembranosus.
Let me see 39 here. Let me
You don't
try.
have a
I don't know what
39?
39 is. I can't find it.
Alright, let's skip the 38 then.
Someone use our
Semi-10 we
number.
have. No, what we need is 44 for the gastric nemes.
Wait, what's that in
Somebody
there?
Down to the
Well,
calf.
that's not ours. Someone use our number. Because we don't have 39. You should have it.
Well, can we look in the drawer and see if it fell out? There it is. Look.
That's not ours.
That's not ours. It's
Put a little
not.
3 on it. Look it. We don't need 42, right? Is 42 in there?
42 is semitendinosus. Well,
We don't need it.
Vastus intermedius. No, we don't need it.
Is it in here?
Because, yeah.